All right, let's talk about how you can calculate the number of months between two dates in Excel. So here we have our starting date and our ending date, and we want to know the amount of months in between these two dates, which we want to display here in this cell. So we'll select this cell, type equals, and you're going to want to use the DATEDIF function. Now this function, for whatever reason, isn't cataloged in Excel, so it's not going to appear like these will. But if you type DATEDIF with a parenthesis, I promise you it is a function within Excel. So for the first argument, we're going to want to select the starting date, then hit comma, the end date, comma, then in quotes, you're going to want to type the letter for what you're trying to calculate. So in this case, we're trying to calculate the number of months. So we can type M, end quotation mark, and then end parenthesis. Now if we hit enter, it's going to calculate that there are 36 months in between these two dates. Now if we go in here and we change this to 7/12/2026, that'll automatically update our formula. Now we can change this M to a Y if we want to calculate the number of years in between two dates. If we hit enter, it's going to then give us the amount of years in between those dates. But that's just a quick and simple way on how you can calculate the number of months between two dates in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.